Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. We're live here every morning for the opening and closing bell, and boy has it been a day today on the market. It's a day today to understand the market, know what's going on. Do you feel comfortable? Do you feel confident? Do you understand your stock position? Do you understand your Bitcoin position? Well, that's what we're all about here today. And very quickly in the show, Sander NL 1992 from the Netherlands. Leah, wow, you guys are quick, right off the mark. If it's your very first time here, click subscribe and ring the bell. We've got friends watching us over there on TikTok right now. There you go, and give us a thumbs up. Let's get the show off to a great start. Wow, that's really quick. Aqua says, I've been thinking about doing crypto mining. What's your take? Well, we'll discuss that live on the show. And also, hi Martin, are you ready for $37,000 Bitcoin? I am ready for it. It wouldn't bother me, but if it does, I will get some more. But I don't think that's going to happen. But by the end of the year, I'm sure it'll be 100,000. Right. If you're watching over there on TikTok, this is my top tip for you. You want to talk to the team, you want to see my money, you want to see what I'm trading, click the profile link here. I've given you a link right behind my icon here is a YouTube link. Hop into the YouTube show, you will see exactly what I'm trading, and for those of you that do come in as well, I have a special gift for you. All right, there's nothing we sell you here. Everything is honest up front. My real money, what I'm sharing, my actual savings with you for real. If you come on in now, the link's right behind here. 3 seconds, you'll be in YouTube, and I've got a gift for anyone that comes in from TikTok. All right, and you're going to want it. Trust me, you're going to want it. We have a lot of fun with it. Okay, there we go. So let's have a look at it. We've recovered a little bit today. In fact, we're up 0.69%. I want to welcome Sander NL from the Netherlands. Leah, thank you very much, from Texas. Great stuff. Everyone smash the like button. We've got 8 now starting off. Our average is 15. We've got 20 this morning. Be great if we could match that again. We've never matched it twice in one day. So I'm hoping today could be the first time, because our portfolio is down, but our YouTube channel is growing really quickly right now. So this is very, very exciting. Okay, David Bust, Lawrence 1974. Here we go. My portfolio is live on the screen now. If you want to see it, Rashad McCrory. Welcome, Rashad. I believe you're new here to the channel, right? I think you are. This is our trading room. Leon as well. Hey, we got some new people in the house today. Welcome to the trading screen. Here is my studio. This is what we're trading on right now. And this is fantastic. We've got a great crowd already joining us. Wonderful stuff. So come over live to the show, and we will share with you our trading screens. This is awesome. All right, there we go. Watch it. Watch that sink into that screen there. It's a little bit of magic here. Let's see if it happens. Leon and Rashad, where are you from in the world? Let me know where you're from. And this is my portfolio. We go live here every morning and every day. Every evening for the Day Trader. This is my Bitcoin position. We spoke the day GSAT crashed. I thought I recognized your name. Thank you ever so much indeed. Yeah, awful, right? And it still crashed. But now Bitcoin is down, and everyone's going, oh, Bitcoin's finished. No, it's not. It's a great time to get back in again if you sold at profits, which I did, and which is exactly what I'm doing. And I'm not just telling you that, I'm showing you that. That's my position. I'm up 26%, $1,612. That's my profit. I've got nearly $8,000 in it. That's for real. There it is on the screen. So it's as real as it gets. So if you've just joined us, smash the like button. We've got 8 likes now. Great stuff. We're a brand new channel, and everything we show you here is real. And give us a thumbs up as well. There you go. This is my studio. This is where we are live right now. This is where we're trading, and in a couple of seconds that should sink in. I have a slight issue this afternoon with the camera for some reason, not syncing up. I know why. It's because I've got it focused on that microphone, but nevertheless, never mind. Right, if anyone comes across today from TikTok, I've got a surprise for you. I'm gonna do something for you. Look, okay, let's have a look at it. We're up 0.8 now today. It crashed this morning. I'm new to crypto and would like to learn more on investing. I'm actually thinking about doing crypto mining with a rig. That's cool. I tried it. I made a little bit of money, not a great deal, I'll be honest with you, but it was very exciting doing it. We can discuss that on the show as well today. All right, let's go through all the shares and see where we're making the money. Amazon is pretty flat right now. I want to ask Rashad and Leon, where did you learn about the show? Was it through TikTok, YouTube, or I know Leon came on. Yeah, I'm from TikTok. Leon, great stuff. Well, thank you very much indeed. So you came across. So then that case, I've got a surprise for you. Then, all right. I've got to do something nice for you. That's what I promised I would do, so I will. All right. I promise I've got something for you. You're gonna like it. Johnson & Johnson's up 0.77. We're just doing the news right now. We've got 20 minutes before the bell goes. Tesla is up 1.44 today. Facebook is up 1%. Apple is up 0.78%, as you can see. Coca-Cola. This is actually my portfolio, guys. This isn't just make-believe. This is my real money. This is my real savings. Disney has dropped 3% today. Big drop there. Vanguard is doing well. YouTube, want to say TikTok for the gift, though. Okay, we'll do it. Martin Redding is here as well. Hey, we got some new people. Martin is one of our regulars. He's one of our moderators. We've got Leon. We've got Rashad. And Sander has come over from the Netherlands today. This is great. We've got some new people in today. Google is up. Microsoft is up. So where's all these losses coming from? Well, we all know it's coming from Bitcoin. Look at that. SPCE having a great day. One of my best positions there now, up 3% today. Loving it. Really, really good. Hood is up as well, 3.5%. Lucid Group having a fantastic day as well. Exos is also up. Still down overall though. McAfee is up as well. But Bitcoin, this is where all the losses are coming from. So are you worried? No, I'm not worried. Great content, good vibes. Leon, it's all about that. Right. You performed Rocket Man, Rashad. Yeah. That's right, I did. And that's my little treat today for anyone. Okay. I've been awarded the title of World Piano Man. This is my studio here. You can see it here. This is the back of the studio. If I turn around, look, there you go. Should focus on my face now. Is it focusing on my face? All right. No, did it focus on my face? I don't know. I'm having a bit of a problem with the focus today. Yeah, it's focusing on the microphone, isn't it? But I will do a request. I will do a song for someone. All right. If we've got anybody here that would like to see a bit of, as we trade, we try to keep calm and we have some fun and we do a bit of music from time to time, okay? And we got a big party tonight. It's the ABBA party tonight. So welcome all. Let's retire tomorrow. Let's retire tomorrow. Yeah, let's get our stocks and shares where they want to be, right? Rolls Royce, great day today, 3.5%. So Leon, Rashad, do you have any particular favourite music that you like? I'm gonna do a little bit of music for you today in the show. I'm gonna do something, all right? Now then, we've got 8 likes now. Smash the like button and give us a subscribe and ring the bell. I do apologise. I got a slightly itchy nose. Let's sort that out. That's better. Right. Are you concerned about Bitcoin? Who's concerned about it? Someone asked me the question. They said, I am new to crypto. Now, Leon, let me just tell you how all this began, how we built this. This portfolio started from $5,000 and it got as high as $52,000. We're in a dip, which is normal for September. And never mind, it's the way it goes. But that's what I've grown this portfolio from, $5,000 in just 5 months. This is my real money. I can't afford to lose it. And this is my portfolio. Perform your favourites, Rashad. Rashad's from South Africa, is that right? Is that right? I think that's right. Let me just double check up the chat in the chat somewhere. can't see it. I thought someone said they were from. Yes. Oh, Leon is from South Africa. Rashad, where are you from? Let me know. So, if you want to invest, right? Remember the golden rule: invest once you've cleared away debt. Oh, Ghana, New York. You're from New York, but living in Ghana. Well, welcome, Rashad. Welcome to the show. I don't invest on leverage. I don't borrow money. Even though you see my buying power here has some margin available, I never use it. Never ever use it. Never ever use it. I don't believe in it. This is my portfolio, and this is what has grown from 5,000 to 52,000. Always invest in the staples, the big companies. As you can see, I'll show you Amazon, Johnson & Johnson, Tesla, Facebook, Apple, Coke, AT&T, Disney, VTI is an ETF, Google, Microsoft, McDonald's, Walmart, and now I'm in Virgin Galactic as well. Ford, Rolls-Royce, I'm going to be getting out of that one soon, and so will I with Ford. These are all my investments, and if you want to know any questions about them, you feel free to ask. But right down the bottom are all my dividend stocks, all my ETFs that I've made money. And, of course, bringing up the rear, one of my most important assets, it's an asset, I don't see it as a currency, Bitcoin. It's the only cryptocurrency I'm in, and I buy it all through Robinhood. People say Robinhood's terrible, doesn't have a wallet. I don't need a wallet. I'm not spending it. It's a saving. It's an asset. Well, look at that. I am even with Hood. Are you? Are you finally even with Robinhood? Shall we take a look at Robinhood? Let's have a look. Robinhood, there we go, up 3.77%. I sold out of that around 10%, I believe. So I've only got one share left in it now, just to keep myself in the game. But yes, that's all I've got left now of Robinhood. So what is it you want to know about investing, Leon? How would you like to get into it? What is it you want to do? If anybody is here, in fact, I know that you're from New York, living in Ghana and South Africa. So none of you would need my Robinhood. I have a Robinhood account which I could give you, which you get a free stock, but it only works in America. So I'm afraid I can't give you that. But what I can give you for further information to see, so you know what we're doing every day and what we trade on and so on. Here is the Facebook page and the Facebook group. I'll share that with everyone. And if you want to follow me on Twitter, I've got a Twitter account as well. You like my Twitter account, being an Englishman. It's the Day Trader 007. Because being from England, it's important, right? There we go. The Day Trader 007. I have Robinhood. Fantastic. Great stuff. Rashad, you have that. That's what I trade on. This is my portfolio. That's what I use. I think it's great. It gives you opportunity to buy without any cost, so you can in and out without any cost. It's I am in desperate need of cash. Just lost my job and losing options. Oops, I tried Forex trading and have been scammed a lot. Yeah, right. Let me tell you, there are loads of people on YouTube who their aim is to sell you something. Their aim is to get you is to influence the market. This channel is the opposite of all of that, because we're trying to get a community and bring positivity into the world, right? Because there's so much nonsense going on, so much manipulation, lying, deceiving, deceit. What we do here is I trade with my real money, and that is my real money. That is it. That's all the money I have. That's my life savings. All right? And I'm trading it live with you right now. And I'm sharing my experiences with you. And what we have is a wonderful community that come in here every day and share their real experiences. Martyn Redding is here. He's from America. He's a big trader, and he follows the show every day, and he invests a lot of money. He's got a big portfolio, a lot bigger than mine. And we all learn from each other. In fact, the other day, John Brunette introduced us all to Lucid. And I sold out of this position, and I wish I'd stayed in it, because this is the alternative to Tesla. This company is doing very, very well. We've had an amazing run. So we all learn from each other. Look, 22% this last month. Really, really good. 30% this last week. New trader, stop thinking, get rich quick. I think Cathie Wood's ARK ETFs. But I would like to know what platform to use to buy shares and how to know what to buy and when to buy. Also, what you look for when placing a trade. Okay, did you say you are in... Where are you, Leon? You are in... Let me just scroll up. You are in South Africa. Is that right? Yes. You're from South Africa. Are you in the UK now? Are you in the UK now, Leon? Sorry, are you in the US? Are you in the US? I know you said you're from South Africa, but are you now in the US? I've got a couple of things I want to say to you. You're in South Africa right now. Okay. Right. Well, the first thing, you cannot... Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, but I care about everybody who comes on my channel, and I tell them the truth, and I tell them my experiences. That's real. And I back it up with my own real money, okay? So you can believe me. You should not currently residing in South Africa. So where are you right now? What country are you in right now? If you need to make money, you're desperate to make money, the stock market is the wrong place for you, okay? Because if you're desperate to make money, you will make the wrong decisions. It's not the right place for you, because if you're desperate to make money, you will make the wrong decisions. Okay? You need to be calm. You need to have money on the side, away from paying the mortgage, the car loan, and so on and so forth. And it needs to be money that you've got saved. And rather than having it in the bank, earning 0.5%, then you invest it. But if you're desperate and you're trying to use this stock market to get rich, that's not to say it doesn't happen. It does happen. It can happen. But that's like trying to win the lottery. Most traders will always lose. And you will sell short when you need to hold. Absolutely. So I do not want to encourage our friend from South Africa to invest in the stock market if he's desperate to make money and he hasn't got any money. And he just told me, his words, I'm desperate in need of cash, just lost my job and losing options. Never do options, never margin trade, tried Forex. Yep, Forex is a bit of a scam. There are people in the world who want to make money at any cost and don't care how they do it, and they will use whatever they can to manipulate you. Right, you are in a safe place right now because you are here with traders that are making money, sharing their honest trades with you, and want you to do well. All we want you to do is watch this show because it's good for you. It's good for you. You watch this show, you're part of it, and you learn from us. We learn from you. We don't want anything from you. Not a damn thing. Okay? So please, 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 do not start investing if you're in desperate need of cash. That is the wrong thing to do. Okay? 95. One of our successful traders came on here and said, Martyn, it's incredible what you've done in just 5 months. 90% of day traders lose money and get wiped out and get wrecked. The fact you're up with all cash profits now, nearly 50,000, and I will be there in a week, I'm sure, again, is because I do it the right way. I've made mistakes, made them live on the show. Everything I do is live on the show, and you have seen me do it. So please do not make those mistakes that I have made. All right, are you still with us, Leon? Because we can do a lot together today, but I just want to start you off on the right path. All right, if you've got $5 in your pocket, you can start with that. And remember, it's percentages. It's not numbers. It's not dollar amounts. It's percentages. If you invest $5 today, and we can turn your $5 into $6, That's a great result, because if that had been $1 million, you'd have made a lot of money. So the principles are the same. Learn with $5. That would be my recommendation. So do you have $5 to invest, and do you want to put as much time into that $5 as you would if it was $1 million? If the answer is yes, then we can help you. Martin says, I agree with Martin. Well, thank you very much, Martin. Martin agrees with Martin. There we go. Rolls Royce stable today. Great. Up 3% today. Really, really good. Let's look back at Bitcoin again. Still falling. It's at 42 right now. Is it going to go any lower? No one knows. Patricia and Alicia are here. Fantastic. The house is all here. Now we should go up to like maybe 11 or 12 likes. Who knows? We're at 10 right now. Give us a thumbs up. If you're watching on the replay, please click subscribe and ring the bell. Our friends, why are you saying never? You can learn. Why are you saying never? Never what? What was the question? Someone asked me a question on TikTok. You can learn. Never what? Never invest when you're desperate? Absolutely. You shouldn't invest when you're desperate. The stock market isn't a casino. It's not a place just to get rich. It's a place you can get rich. It's not a place to get rich. There's a difference between a place to get rich and a place where you can get rich. A place where you can get rich or whatever is go to a casino. You can also get bankrupt. Never invest in options. Indeed. Are you bullish or bearish for the next 4 months? I'm very bullish. I'm very bullish all the time. I'm not bullish on terrible stocks. I'm not bullish on Dinky Donk coin and Donkey Dink and all the rest of it. I'm not bullish on that at all. But I am bullish on Bitcoin. I am bullish on Tesla. I am bullish on SpaceX. I am bullish on Virgin Galactic. So bullish means you are optimistic about something, not everything. There's a lot of rubbish and you don't want to buy it. No, you said never invest in options. I disagree. I agree with your other points. Hey, there are people who've used options and made a lot of money, so they'll disagree with me. They'll go, hey, I'm a millionaire because of options. You could become a millionaire without borrowing any money. Right, Leon's just come back and says, yes, I do have $5. Right, let's make a profit for $5. Let's work on the principles of $5, and then let's turn $5 into $10. I turned 5,000. Sorry, hang on, wrong place. I turned 5,000 into 52,000 without borrowing a penny from anyone. Right. So, Leon, you got $5. You want to grow $5. Okay? If you've the first thing you need to do is to build a wealth for your future. Or before I get into this, everybody on TikTok, if you want to be part of the actual show and come and talk to Leon and Patricia and all the team that are in the live chat on YouTube and see my real money and see all my real trades and get a special gift later on, okay, in the end of the show, click the profile link here, click the YouTube icon and get right involved in the show. You can see my trading screens, you can get involved, you can see my real money, you can see what's in my bank account, the whole works. You can't see none of it on TikTok. All you can see is my face. Come on in, the link is right behind here. I've given you a YouTube link. Come on in, you can share your opinions with everybody in the team. We can discuss it with you, and I can share my actual trades with you. All right, let's get back to Leon. Right, so how I built this money is I built up a business, I paid off my mortgage, paid off my car loan, got money on hand, then I started investing. Once I had 6 months of bills paid, all right? All my bills are paid for the next 6 months, so I'm okay. So I can now invest. That doesn't mean I can now take risks. It means when the market drops, I don't have to sell these shares to pay the bills. That's what it really means. So I've got money on hand that I can use without having to sell on desperate days. Right now, it's desperate. Everything's down and it's awful. I wouldn't want to be in a position where I've got to sell these shares to pay the bills, right? So that's the first thing. So never cut corners and get to this position. Do it in stages. Atlas came from TikTok. I think there are a lot of disingenuous creators, but I also think all the financial instruments can be leveraged properly, which includes options, not never, in my opinion. Atlas has just joined us. Now, Atlas is going to offer some great insight. He has used leverage. Would love to know about that. Where are you from in the world, Atlas? Tell us where you're from. And if you wouldn't mind, help us. We're a brand new channel. We're 7 weeks old. We've grown from 0 to just under 1,500 subscribers in 7 weeks. And to help us grow on YouTube and support people like Leon and all our friends, click the like button. And if you wouldn't mind subscribing to the channel, ring the bell. That would be amazing. Appreciate it very much. But the most important thing is give us a thumbs up, just so we can get up to 20, so YouTube will start showing the video more. Okay, so I don't agree with Atlas. I agree people have used leverage and borrowed money to invest. I don't believe in it. I wouldn't do it. I think if you do it right, you can grow wealth from your own profits, and do it that way. Because if the market drops, and it does all the time, you don't get margin called. What that means is, Leon, if you borrow money using leverage, using borrowed money on a brokerage like Robinhood, which is what I'm using, and then the stock drops, the brokerage can sell the stocks from underneath you at a loss just to get their money back. You can get wiped out. And every day at the moment on Bitcoin, people all over the world are getting wiped out. And you don't hear about those ones. You only hear on YouTube about the guys who are making all the money and everything's brilliant. The guys who get wrecked and lose all their money, they're not on YouTube telling you all that stuff, because they're in the bathroom crying their eyes out. Okay. US, I didn't mean leverage as in debt. I meant utilized. All I'm saying is, don't write off options as bad. When they don't have to be. Again, I like your approach, but what's wrong with covered calls? Covered calls? No, it's not. Covered calls and puts. A lot of people make money from it. The only thing is with covered calls and puts is you're predicting the future. Any of that stuff, you're predicting the future by a certain date. And I know it makes money for some people, but if you get it wrong, you lose money. Now, one thing I do know that in time, my portfolio is going to grow. This current portfolio, within 2 years, within a year and a half from now, will be $200,000. I know that because the companies I've invested in, I've done my research. They're good companies. They're companies of the future. They're companies with a good balance sheet. They're going to grow, and I've got a diverse portfolio. If Bitcoin goes to zero right now, my portfolio doesn't collapse. It just gets a little kick in the teeth. I'm like, that's okay, I'll lose one tooth. But overall, I won't lose. I can't lose. Unless every single top company in the world collapsed. All right? Well, that's not going to happen, is it? Diversification is for boomers. I know where you're going with that. Diversification. Let me explain what I mean diverse. I only have about 30 stocks. I don't have hundreds. I don't have every single one. People say people with diverse portfolios don't understand the market. It's why they have such a diverse portfolio. Well, this portfolio has grown from 5,000 to currently 47. It was at 52. So am I wrong? Am I wrong? Diversification is for boomers. They understand it. Come into YouTube, click the profile link here and chat with our team. They'd love to hear your point of view. I like it. Come on in. So now going back to, I want to answer. Hello, Michael Williams is here. I just want to read these comments, by the way. Let me bring up some of these comments. Now is the absolute wrong time to go margin, in my opinion. When you get around record highs and the market can drop fast. Exactly. If you borrow money now, you've got balls of steel, and I don't disrespect you for it. I just wouldn't be you. But then I, love to hear your experiences. respectfully, selling options won't make you lose money, just miss gain opportunities. That being said, selling options is better than buying for the most part. No, I understand that. A side note, nice production quality. That B-roll was clean. Thank you very much indeed. Well, this isn't the B-roll. This is live. What you're watching now is live. I'm just switching to the back of the studio. Look. This is where I sit. There you go. All right. There you go. This is all. There we go. The bell's gone. Let's ring the bell. It's closing time. Right. Okay. Let's have a look now. And let's see where we've ended up. So today I'm up 0.27. That's awesome. Thank you very much indeed. Well, what we do here, if you're interested, Atlas, I've got to go back to answering Leon's question because we want to invest. We want to support Leon investing his $5 to make 6. And if he can make 6, he's doing the right thing. He's on the way. Risk is all about your age. Is it indeed? Risk is all about your age. What should someone starting out safe or risky invest in? An ETF, I would recommend, because it depends on your knowledge. How much do you know? How much have you researched? The fact you have to ask the question means you haven't yet done your research. So let me share with you. For those of you on TikTok, I'm now going to share my portfolio list of all my stocks. If you want to see it, click the link right now. Click the YouTube. Click the icon here. Click the YouTube link, and you'll be in my live chat, and you'll actually see my live trades. Okay, and I'm going to share. Risk isn't about age. I'm 47. And would be risky. You guys are saying some funny things. Come over into YouTube right now. Here is my stocks that I've invested in. And this is what's grown my portfolio from 5 to 52. All right, and we're down just a few thousand now because of the September dip. Okay. Let's have a look. Amazon, Johnson & Johnson, Tesla, Facebook, Apple, Coke, AT&T, Disney, VTI, Google, Microsoft, McDonald's. These are my top 10 shares. These shares are companies that I can blink, sleep, goes to sleep for 6 months, come back, and these shares will be up. Because history tells me that. Stability tells me that. Would suggest risk and age should be connected, but risk is not age. It's got nothing to do with it. Risk has got nothing to do with age. What is all that about? Who's brought that one up? Anyway, Virgin Galactic. I've now added that. It's not one of my top 10. It's not going to be there forever. But I'm using it to grow because it's a growth stock right now. Ford, Rolls-Royce, Stable of England. That is doing really well for me. These are all my MasterCard, PayPal, United Airlines, Builder, Tesco's, National Grid, Lithium, Boeing, Berkshire Hathaway. You talk about age. You took Warren Buffett, the most famous, successful investor in all history. His company, Berkshire Hathaway, is one of the few companies that have not made me a single penny on my portfolio, by the way. This is Berkshire Hathaway. I've had it now for 5 months. Hasn't made me a dime. Absolutely awful. Higher risk to reward is suited for younger investors. No, it isn't. Intelligent, well-researched, basic principles apply to the young and old. If you want to play around when you're young and take risks, yes, you can recover from it, but you waste many of your years when you could have built a steady, slow, stable, secure future. I wouldn't say when you're young, take risks. I would say live your life and go for it. I've visited 195 countries. It's why I'm named the World Piano Man. But I don't think it's good to take risk just because you're young. I think that's a flipping crazy thing to do. Anyway, that's up to you. I'm going to share with you the bottom of my portfolio now. So we're going to move down to the bottom of my portfolio and share with you my dividend stocks and my new stocks. Let's have a look here right now. There we go. There's the back of the studio. That's what I can see when I'm talking to you. Here's my Bitcoin position at the bottom. And I currently have $7,700. It's dropped a little bit, as you can see. It's still dropping. But we've had a nice little pickup the last few minutes, as you can see. Have I sold a single dime of Bitcoin, if you could call it that? Not at all. Not at all. It'll be 100,000 by the end of the year. I'm very confident of that. And I can't manipulate it like BitBoy does. Who's watched the BitBoy show? These guys have a million subscribers in their YouTube channels. And their whole YouTube channel is to manipulate the market. These big guys on YouTube with a million subscribers who invest in something, they're not on YouTube for YouTube ads. They've got millions of dollars in Bitcoin. They are on YouTube to manipulate the market. If they come on YouTube and tell you, I'm BitBoy, and I say you should buy Bitcoin, and everyone buys Bitcoin, that helps them because they understand it. What you do is, because you don't understand it, you sell when it drops and you lose a load of money, and then they then buy more of it. So we are the opposite. This channel is the opposite. We are here to support you, not to manipulate the market, not to give you a load of nonsense, but just to be here to support everyone. And that's why we're growing. That's why we've gone from 0 to 1,500 subscribers in 7 weeks, I believe. I thought you bought Rocket Labs. We are down 5%. Rocket Labs. Did I buy Rocket Labs? Let me have a look. Rocket Labs. Yes, I did. I have got one share of it. I got one share of it because I didn't understand it, which is why I only buy one share of something I don't understand. Here is my Rocket Labs. Rocket Labs, you're absolutely right. I'm down 10%. But I'm not doing anything with it. It's fine. It can just sit there. Right, I did promise everybody a little treat if you came across from TikTok. They can't manipulate the market that much, only in small cap. Oh, yes, they can. Yes, they can. BitBoy owns about 20% of Bitcoin. About 20% of Bitcoin. BitBoy can manipulate the market. Are you kidding me? You got 1 million people watching you, and you say Bitcoin's going up, Bitcoin's going down, and you don't think it can manipulate the market? Of course it can. I see it every day. Look at Reddit. Look at everyone who buys AMC and all that stuff, and it's all manipulation. The only way to make money with stocks and shares or Bitcoin is to make money when other people lose money. How do you think that works? We can't all make money. We make money when other people are fearful and lose money. That's what this whole thing's about. That's what I'm trying to change with this YouTube channel, to be the only decent, honest person on the blooming thing. This is, I've never seen George or BitBoy or anyone, I've never seen them come on and show you their actual bank account, their actual money. They'll tell you they own all these things, but I've never actually seen it. Well, this is my real money, okay? Bitcoin at 90,000 needs 90 million in daily volume, buying volume over selling volume, but its revenue is insane. They have shown it. You need, your head is brighter than my future. Your head is brighter than my future, bro. My head is brighter than my future. I love it. I love the abuse I get on TikTok. It's brilliant. It's a good job I'm used to it now. When I first started, it upset me. It did, really. It was like, why am I getting abuse? I'm just here sharing my trades with people. Anyway, so all of you now, here's a little surprise. I've won the award of World Piano Man. That's my actual full-time job, right? Where my savings come from was as the World Piano Man, okay? This is the Day Trader channel where you are right now. If you scroll down here, you see my music channel. This is a much bigger channel, right? And this is where I go live every day. And you can see upcoming live streams. I'm live again in 40 minutes from now. I'm live doing a live concert. We've got guests all over the world tuning in for some ABBA music, Billy Joel and Elton John. Live today with a beer in my hand. So I promised you, for those of you that came across, a little bit of a surprise from my studio. So right behind me here is my studio. I'm going to go over here now and give you a little taster. All right. So let me find out what we've got. Musanella, Atlas, you have to make 6.5% a month to get your portfolio to 150,000 in a year and a half. That's correct. That's correct. I don't doubt that for a minute. I don't doubt that for a minute. And let me tell you where the profits are going to come from. Shall I tell you where the profits are going to come from? Okay. You asked me the question how I need to get that to 200,000. All right, I'll show you. Rolls-Royce. Rolls-Royce, I expect within a year to 10x. Why do I say that? Rolls-Royce is a staple of England. It's backed by the government. It will not lose. It will not go out of business. And Rolls-Royce has some of the most sophisticated engines in the world. It crashed down because of COVID. You can see it here. It crashed down here, literally on the bottom. And a lot of other companies would go bankrupt at this position, but this is Rolls-Royce. This is staple to England. It will not happen. And I bought in 711 shares, just over $1,000. I'm up 20% on it now, and I expect this to 10x within a year. That's the first one. The next one is SPCE, Virgin Galactic. Virgin Galactic. I was making money on Virgin Galactic. Then all my profits were wiped out because they devalued the stock. They sold 500 million worth of stock and the price dropped dramatically. Virgin Galactic is backed by Sir Richard Branson. He knows about aviation. He knows about business. He's got a long pedigree. He's not new to the game. He knows exactly what he's doing. I can assure you that this is going to be a successful business. And come January, when the first customers start going into space regularly, then this is going to rocket. This is going to go up at 100, 200. What I will do when it reaches 40, which it did before, it in fact got as high as 55, I think it was. It only dropped because of the devaluation and the delay in the test flight. So I've got 13% of my portfolio currently in this. It's been a lot higher because it's devalued right now. This is going to make me a lot of money. So you talk about 6%, not an issue at all. Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going to be 100,000 by the end of the year. Where's my Bitcoin position gone? Can't see it right now. Where is it? Down here. There we go. This is Bitcoin. So this is going to make me a huge profit as well. So that's why I'm not selling out of that one. So does that answer your question? I thought you brought Rocket. Yeah, we did that. You have to make... Yeah, we did that. All right. Okay. So have we got any Elton John? Tell me what sort of music we like. We're going to lighten the mood right now. And I'm going to sing a song from the back of my studio. Only like 30 seconds of it. And then when we finish here, in 45 minutes, we're going to have our ABBA party live on the show. And I hope some of you can come and join me. Anybody want to make a request? All right. I'm 80% sure Bitcoin just confirmed bear market in crypto. It doesn't bother me. XRP price prediction. I've got no prediction for it whatsoever. I don't understand it. I don't care for it. I'm not interested in it. And only because I've not studied it and researched it. I don't understand what it is. So I can't make a comment on it at all. So I don't know. That's my honest question. My honest answer. I don't know. All right. The portfolio is still down. I'm still up today though. Despite all of this, folks, let's just get one thing straight. Terrible month, Bitcoin crashing down. It's a big part of my portfolio. You would suggest I should be down, right? I'm not. I'm up 0.07 on a day like this. I'll take that all day long. All right. Gimme, gimme, gimme. What, from ABBA? I'm doing that today in the ABBA show. All right. Musanella is up 0.3. Is Musanella the winner today? Every day we have a competition to find out who's the best trader. Musanella from Florida is up 0.3. We both agree on holding a lot more Bitcoin than alts, I think, right? Totally. My honest opinion, if you've got an asset and a currency like Bitcoin, which is the internet's currency, which is the future of securities and assets and so on and so forth, why do you need, and imagine that this becomes the currency of Mars when we all go to Mars with Tesla. Just to say, for example, the point is, and why Bitcoin is so incredible, is because everyone could have the same currency. Why do we need hundreds of binky bonks, dinky donks, diddly domps, Doge coins, God knows what else? We don't. The reason why Elon Musk owns Dogecoin, because he's a billionaire and he likes to play games and have us all dancing on little TikTok notice. Please restart live. What happened there? TikTok live. Please restart live. What happened there? Why is it asking me to restart live? Okay. Is that right? It's saying restart. Is everyone still with me on TikTok? TikTok notice, please restart live. All right. I've no idea why. Would it be advisable to buy Bitcoin now? Yes. There's never a wrong time to buy Bitcoin, as long as you understand it. Let me tell you the true story. When I bought Bitcoin the first time, I bought $100 of it, and I lost $5 within about 2 minutes. And I felt sick, and I felt horrible because I didn't understand it. It was awful. TikTok is telling me to restart the live stream. So everybody watching me live right now, I'm going to stop it and start it again. So come straight back into it. You ready? I don't know why I've got to do that, but it says to do it. All right, so here we go. And now. Okay. Okay, I've just restarted TikTok. No idea why. It just told me to. I've no idea why I did that. It just told me to. So I guess I've done the right thing. See what happens. See if you all come back in again now. All right. So there we go. So yeah. So when I first bought Bitcoin, it dropped. And I felt awful because I didn't understand it. So Leon, don't buy Bitcoin because I think it's a good idea. Buy it because you've done research on it. You've read a lot. You've studied a lot. You understand what it is. Because when it drops, which it does, and it will, and it is, don't feel bad about that. So you can see right now I'm up 24%. It's got to drop 24% before I lose money. So it's a bit different from me. I bought it in at 33. You could wait. You could watch it drop. But I see it as a great opportunity to buy right now because it's going to turn around soon. And when it turns around, you're in it. So it's up to you. I mean, what I would do, you got $5, buy $5 of Bitcoin. Right? Buy $5 of Bitcoin. Why not? And watch it. Learn from it. See what it does. Get used to its patterns. See how it works, and then right. So who's the winner? Can we get all the scores in, please? Muzanella is up 0.3. Martin, what's your score? Who else we got here today? That's investing. Rashad, what's your position? Right, mine is 0.1 up. I would suggest that Muzanella would win. He's got 0.3. Let's see. It wasn't an actual message from TikTok. What was that? What was that message then? As Bitcoin market cap moves higher, diminishing returns come into play. Indeed, that is correct. Martin is down 0.17. Right, Muzanella, you are the winner. Muzanella, you are the winner. There we go. Fantastic. Musanella from Florida is the winner today here on YouTube. Congratulations to you. So, Musanella, would you like a request? All right. Let me get the haze going. Let me get the haze going. And let me come round to the show right now. And I don't believe it thanks to Lucid Options. I don't believe it. Thanks to Lucid Options. There you go. Someone here today has done well with option trading. Congratulations to you. Very proud of you, mate. Well done. Congratulations, Musna. Alicia and Patricia from Italy. Our ladies from Italy. Let me try. I'm 30 minutes. Let me try. Nick Knock TikTok. What's Nick Knock TikTok? What does that mean? What does that mean? I've got someone in TikTok going, let me try typos. All right. If you'd like to make a request, you've got to be on YouTube. Thank you. Elton John. All right. Okay. So here we go. This is for all of you that came across from TikTok today. I've got a little treat for you. I was awarded the title of World Piano Man. I've performed in 195 countries. And I'm going to go over now to my studio and do 30 seconds of Elton John. I can't do more than that because it will copyright my video. All right, so let me go over there right now. So come and join me. If you're on TikTok right now, click the icon here, click the YouTube, and come on into YouTube right now. You can't see it otherwise. I could make 3% in 30 minutes probably. Could you? No, we all can if you pick the right stock on the right day. Right, come and join me right now. If you run TikTok, you've got a few seconds. Click on the link here, YouTube. I'm going to do a little treat for all the people that come into YouTube right now. You ready? Okay, here we go. Okay. There we go. I told you I would. Let me put my Piano Man hat on. And what should we do? Musanella from Italy. Sorry, Musanella from Florida. He said, could you do me some Elton John? So I will. This is for Musanella then, all right? Okay, you ready? Okay, so let's go into... I'll do a little bit of this one, right? She packed my bags last night, pre-flight. 0 hour, 9 a.m. Gonna be high as a kite by then. Miss the year so much, you miss my wife. It's lonely out in space. Such a timeless flight like this. I think it's gonna be a long, long time. Touchdown brings me round again to find I'm not a man that think I am at home. Oh no, I'm a rockin' man. Rockin' man, burning out his fuse of all alone. All right, let's get back to the trading once again now. That was a little treat for all of you. This isn't the day trader. What's going on? It is the day trader. I got a special request for all my friends who asked me to do it. So let me get back over to the main show. Here we go. All right. There we go. We're back in the hot seat now. What do you think about Shiba Inu coins? I don't believe in any of those type of coins. We've already discussed that today. So yeah, I don't believe in any of those coins. I'm only really interested in Bitcoin and Ethereum. but Bitcoin being the main one, of course, it's the most stable asset. The Piano Man Trader cluster. Isn't this the day trader? He got confused. Yeah, we just had a request. So please forgive me, class. It was just a moment there. All right, let's go back to it. So here we are. This is where we are right now. I'm still up 0.07. We're seeing a bit of a dip again today. Muzanella said, I have to watch this part later. I'm in the shower. We don't want to know you're in the shower. What's going on? Isn't this the day trader? Martin, we have known that Elton a few days ago was here in a restaurant in Marina di Massa. Wonderful stuff. The Piano Man Trader class. There we go. All right. Now, Bitcoin, what's it doing right now? It's still it's trading sideways now. For the past hour, it hasn't really moved at all, but it is down 1.5% today. I'm not remotely concerned at this at all. So the bell has gone. So now you see the action is slowed down. There's not much going on. Amazon, everything's now just trading sideways. What about some of our speculative stocks? We might find something still happening. Facebook is still coming down. Apple is still coming down. Coke is sideways. AT&T sideways. Disney sideways. VTI sideways. Google sideways. Not much happening there. Microsoft still going down. McDonald's sideways. Walmart sideways. But what about Virgin Galactic? Yeah, that's still dropping. That's our speculative stocks still tend to drop or rise after the bell goes. Robinhood, not much action there. But Lucid, let's have a look. Lucid hasn't done anything yet after the bell. Oh, yes, it has. Beg your pardon. It's down 1.23% after hours. I wonder why it isn't showing there on the... I wonder why it isn't showing. That's the pre-market. That's the main. It's not showing yet. Bit of a delay there, perhaps. Exos is trading sideways, and McAfee trading sideways. There's any stocks here that I haven't covered, but we are, of course, getting prepared. We've got 14 likes now. Let's see if we can get the 20 likes before the show closes. Show closes in just 5 minutes. I wonder if we can get to 20 likes. Smash the like button if you're watching the show right now. Space has a launch coming up soon. Yes, it does. In October. I'm all ready for it. I bought the dips. I'm looking forward to it. And that's why we've seen this rise over the last week. We're up 3.72%. So I'm expecting this to really take off in a few days' time, maybe a week's time. But of course, at the minute, everything is down, so it's a little bit muted right now. Oh, we got 15 likes, but that's better. That's the average now. Thank you very much indeed. The crowd's all here. Thank you, Mr. Love says. Appreciate it. Let's cover some of this news. Final trades today. Let's see how this all topped out.
All right, let's do final trades. Rob Sechin, you're up first.
JP Morgan, yesterday's move brought it down 8% from its highs. It's up a little bit today, but not enough. A lot of that was due to the yield curve flattening, which we don't suspect is going to last, so you get to buy a high-quality name on sale.
You mentioned the XLF, too, which you moved into. Stephanie Link.
TJX, it's a reopen story, but they're very strong. They're seeing very strong demand. Comps were up 20% last quarter. People want the treasure hunt. Gross margins are headed higher. Stock's done nothing all year. I like it.
All right, Farmer Jim.
Kinder Morgan will benefit from natural gas demand.
All right, and the reform broker, Josh Brown.
Staying long Uber.
Highs of the day. What a huge day for Uber, up 12.5%.
There we go. That's the final trades. Always good to have a look at that. What about the calls of the day? What about the calls of the day? Let's have a quick look at this. We're coming to the end of the show.
All right, we have two bullish calls today on two stocks in the Linksters portfolio. So, Stephanie Link, you're front and center for calls of the day today. Number one, Fortinet, initiated buy at Stifel, $355, the price target. That's 19% from here. A lot of life left at this party, they say. What do you think?
Yeah, look, it's up 102% year to date, so I have been trimming, but I'm still overweight because it's a market share growth story. They've got new products, they have price performance advantage, they're winning in enterprise, which is key. Two numbers just to shout out from the last quarter that are important. Product growth was up 41% and billings up 35%. So that gives me visibility that they're going to capture a lot of share.
Just shared with us good news for Carnival and Rolls-Royce. Most certainly. Let's go. I've not looked at Carnival for an hour or so let me go back and have a look at Carnival. I haven't got my big position there anymore, but let's have a look. CCL. Let's have a look. CCL. What's good news with Carnival? You said good news with Carnival. What's good news? Good news for CCL and Rolls-Royce. I'm not sure what the good news is for Carnival, mind you. Please share with me if you know what that is. I'm not sure I know. But no, Carnival isn't doing particularly great at the minute. Look at the link. You sent me a link, did you? Look at link. I don't see a link. I don't see any links at all. Let me just make you a moderator temporarily, then you'll be able to post your link. So there you go. Class, you're now a moderator, just temporarily. You can now post that link and I'll see it. So please share that link with me and I'll look at it. So just share your link now and it will pop up. There you go. Here it comes. There it is. Thank you very much indeed. Let's have a look. Open link in new tab. Okay. All right. So we've got that now. Let me take a look. Let's have a look. Oh, you've sent us two. I've got both of them now. Oh, here we go. The Biden is... Oh, right. Okay. This is interesting. Right, let me bring this into everybody. We've just got some breaking news here shared to us from, this could be a great opportunity now to get back into, that's not opening properly. Why is that? Let's open that again. I don't think I can share this news. For some reason, it's wanting me to subscribe to an account. It's just, yeah, it's not opening properly. I don't think. If I copy the link, do it this way. Huh. Just bear with me. Trying to share this link sent by Clus. Yep, me too. Yeah, it's the same thing. It's not it's something wrong with the link. We're trying our best to open Clus link that you just sent us. Oh, there we go. I've managed to open it this way. Oh, blimey, I'm all over the place now. I've got my emails opening up everywhere. Don't say that we don't try. We certainly do. I've got another link. Okay. Yeah, it keeps every time I open it, it wants to try to get me to sign up and subscribe, and like what I've been talking about today, everyone's trying to manipulate and sell something. That's not what we do here. You got another link, okay? Try another one. There you go. Right, I've made you moderator again. A for effort. Yeah, we're trying to share it. Me and Martin are trying to share it, but it wants us to sign up, and that's so many people do that. They bring out news and then you have to pay for it. It's like, well, you posted it. Everyone's trying to sell you something. All right, we'll try it. We'll try this one, mate. Okay. So here we go. I'll grab this one. Right. Let's see a CNBC. There we go. There we go. Right, we got it now. Thank you very much indeed. US to ease travel restrictions for foreign visitors who are vaccinated. Oh, there we go. Another bloody advert. Look, God's sake. Against COVID. Yes, indeed. That is great news to ease travel restrictions for foreign visitors who are vaccinated against COVID. That will make a big difference to the economy. It's about time. I don't know why it's taken so long. What do you think about crashing crypto? We've just been discussing that. D. Rino, hi, XU Lindsay, I think it is. Come on into YouTube. Click the profile link here. Click the YouTube link and you'll come right in. We've only got a minute left of the show though, so it's a bit late now. Yeah, this is great news. The US will ease travel restrictions for international visitors who are vaccinating against COVID-19 in November. Great. That's all we can really fit in right now after all that time. We're rushing through it. I'm holding my Bitcoin. Absolutely, so am I. Not sold a single penny of it at all. Here's my Bitcoin. It's still going down. Absolutely, I'm not holding. I'm not selling anything. It's all part of the course. Bitcoin is falling off a cliff. The whole market is. But it's about to recover. So this is an opportunity to buy those dips that you wished you bought the first time round. Okay? All right, guys, we've come to the end of the show. Thank you ever so much, everyone that was here today. We got 15 likes. Has everyone smashed the like button before we go? Because we got to go and get ready for the Dry Foam show. Now, if you want to join me today, it's a special. ABBA are bringing out a new album and a new tour. So I've been asked to do some ABBA songs on the show. So if you go to the Day Trader, which is where you are right now, scroll down to the Martyn Lucas channel. You'll find it right there. Click down here, upcoming live streams. There you go, upcoming live streams. And ABBA special, you see it there, look. ABBA Voyage. I'll be live here in literally 20 minutes from now. So I've got to get ready. I've got lots to do before that show. So anyway, we're still going down. Awful day. But it is what it is. Hold on to your seats. Don't stress. Don't worry. You know, have a diverse portfolio. This bear market is making me feel sick. Call 29. You need to be part of our show. And we've got the right people to support you. That's what we do here. Right. I'll see you all back in a bit. I'm going to get ready for the live show. If you want to be part of it, go here to the YouTube channel and join me on the Martyn Lucas Drive Home show in just 20 minutes. We'll have a beer. We're going to have some fun. We're going to relax. And we're going to play some ABBA music. And our friends from all over the world are tuning in. It's going to be great. See you back there or see you in the morning for the opening bell. Take care of yourselves and each other.